Hello guys and welcome to Delicate Flavors with Pallavi, and today we are making a turmeric pickle which is a winter specialty. So let us start with our recipe. We are making turmeric pickle. For that I have taken wet turmeric, peeled off the skin of it. I have cut into slender thin pieces. So all the turmeric is cut into this shape. Cut as per your desire. This is 250 grams of wet turmeric. This pickle is very healthy, very nutritious, so we will start by adding vinegar. For 250 grams of turmeric, I have taken 150 ml of vinegar. That goes in. Then goes in is the red chili powder. I am using Kashmiri red chili powder. 125 grams of mustard seed. I have made powder of it. You can see here, I have made it into a powder into a mixie. And I had taken 2 spoons of fenugreek seeds or methi seeds, and I just ran them through a mixie. Into this we will add salt as per taste. Here I am adding 2 big spoons of salt. Then here in this kadai I have heated 6 tablespoons of oil and then I cooled it down to room temperature. So this will also go inside. I have taken refined oil, sunflower oil. You can take any oil of your choice. Now we will thoroughly mix all the ingredients. If we feel dry, then we can heat more oil, cool it and then add it into our pickle. As you can now see, all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed and the pickle is ready. Ready in the sense the preparation is ready, but it will take about 15 days of maturation time so that you can start to eat the pickle. I will leave this pickle into this open pan for 2 days so that I can stir it as and when required, and I will cover this with a silicone lid. And after 2 days, once you finish stirring everything, do store it in a glass bottle which is sterilized and which is absolutely germ and bacteria free. So here you can just take a closer look at the delicious, healthy, nutritious turmeric pickle which you can store it for the whole year to come. Now when you are storing this pickle, we have already added vinegar which increases the shelf life of the pickle, but I would suggest when you are starting to fill it in the jar, top it up with oil until the topmost layer of the pickle is covered with oil so that the longevity of the pickle is enhanced. I hope you have liked my recipe of this healthy haldi pickle. Do subscribe to my channel, give it a big like, share it with your friends and family, and stay tuned for the coming episodes. Bye for now.